Hi everybody, it's Martyn at Flicking Feathers again today, and I'm back with another classic wet fly. This is the Waterhen Bloa, an excellent pattern for the rivers, and whatever country you're in. As always, I will put a materials list in the description, along with a link to the Patreon page and the PayPal for anybody who is interested in supporting the channel and getting access to the members only content, along with being entered into the monthly giveaways. I've got my hook and my vise. This is a fooling mill. It's an all-purpose medium. It's a size 14. You can tie these, I would say, 14s and 16s. And I'm just going to get my hackle ready. And this is a feather from the undercover of a waterhen's wing. Right. If you get Edmonds and Lee's book, Brook and River Trouting, you'll see it says, hackled with a smoky grey feather from the under coverts of a waterhen's wing, the darker side of the feather towards the head of the fly. So when I start these, I like to always start the feather at the same time as I start the thread. It just makes for a neater overall fly. It lets you take the dubbing right up to the back of the hackle. So I'll pinch just tell you what I'm doing, I'll just pinch the feather against the shank with my thumbnail, and I'll catch the thread with my middle finger against the back of my index finger, so I've got tension, and I'll make a thread catch about an eye width, maybe slightly less, it's head length behind the eye of the hook. Catch that in, and then I'll trim away my waist. Right, now I've already waxed this. This is silk thread I'm using, not Pearsall's, because I don't have any yellow Pearsall's left and it's no longer in production. This is the fly only .co.uk substitute, and it's pretty good. There's a few companies starting to do it now, and this one's not bad. I'm quite happy with it. So I've stopped my thread, I've come down and touch and turns, I've stopped it right at the point. Now, some people, it's up to you, right? Some people like this to be the end of their spider body, right? I prefer mine slightly further back, sort of, you know, halfway along the spear, between the point and the barb. But I stop here so that I've got space to take a couple of wraps of the undubbed thread to get me back. Right, I might actually take one turn back off here just to be sure. Right. Now, this is a very sparsely dubbed body, and it's mole fur. Right, mole's really what you need to use. It's very fine in the fibre. It can be dubbed very sparsely. And when I say very, I mean almost nothing. Most people who tie these flies, well, not most people, but I see a lot of people tie Waterhen Bloas or snipe bloas is another pattern, and there's enough dubbing for half a dozen flies on it. So now that I've got my dubbing on, I take my thread back to where I want the body to start, which is about there. And that's me just about ready to start my dubbing. I'll just take one turn the thread back up and the dubbing's caught. And you'll see here as I go up and touch and turns how sparse this dubbing is. The thread's easily shown through. Right. It's just tiny wisps of fibre. Right, these will just breathe and gives a wee bit of colour to the fly. I can bring this right up to the back of the hackle, and I was lucky that was a perfect amount. Fold the hackle back with a single turn, a thread, that just helps it stick up, and then I'll just wind this by hand. I don't need hackle pliers because they're quite big feathers. Just sweep the fibres back into a wee sort of, you know, fold the hackle. There's a couple. And just keep looking at it. See how it looks. Still a wee bit sparse. You don't want to overdress them, but similarly, some folk tie them with like 3 or 4 fibres and it's not enough, right? I think that's about, I've got about 3.5 turns on there, something like that. Although it depends on the feather quality. Couple of wraps, fold everything back. 1, 2, 3. Right, make every thread turn count on these size of flies. And then I'll just keep my thread tight and snap away the stem. You can see the still sparse. Nice long straggly fibres of the water hen. It's a great feather if you can get it. But enough has last a couple of fish before it falls to bits. So just finish it off. Quick whip finish. Put that tight. Oops. Snip away your thread. And that's you ready to varnish. So that's it. The Waterhen Bloa. It's a very effective pattern. And you'll find as you get used to tying these, you can, I mean, they're 3-minute tie, you know, you can very quickly bang a dozen of these in your box in a couple of sizes. Great, as I say, when olives are coming off, well worth having in your box, and you can fish it, you know, work all year, just change the size. So I hope that was useful, I hope it was enjoyable for you. If it was, please remember to give me a thumbs up below and subscribe to the channel. Tight lines, guys, bye.